Yeah, there you go. Back to the canter. Ah, ta, ta. Make a nice forward transition to canter. Just kind of let her roll into it. There you go. Super. Now push forward, forward, forward. Yes, good. Nice. Good. Now massage the inside rein. Good. Nice. Yeah, nice. Good. Super. Yeah. Massage the inside rein. Forward. Forward. Ah, kick, kick. Guard. Get in there. Yeah, get in there. Yep. Get. Yeah, good. 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 I know she's tired. Get in there. Good. Now we can go back to the T word. Oh, super nice. Excellent transition. Nice trot. Keep the inside rein. Yeah, nice. Now go back to walk. Push her into it. Don't let her back off. Don't let her back off. Yeah. Nice. Good job.